Raiji khumkui hot ka thung kada.
As scratching on itching scabies.
Prayot mutang khumkui kada.
Oblivious what a war victory is.
Ramshi your shiri majin mahai paimane. Sipan sing rot araga ngayin kui pambame. George Pangli kashong mayrong karari azze pambame.
Don't despise the old hut and weak sister-in-law. We take shelter during storm. When judgment of conviction comes upon, we ask for help from distant sisters-in-law.
Ramshiri majin mahayero.
Don't despise poor old hut.
Rashâng tayung shayru. Ritre ngurung kangsanglu kaji kada.
Fry and eat soya bean while thirsty. Put on stone while great heavy.
Rachân chājam adamri khaya mangridmane.
In times of absolute poverty, there is no sense of shame.
Rachân chājam li sikhang over Rashâng.
In times of absolute poverty, dreadful manners come along.
Rukhai rukha thayrakke.
Very cunning to speak slanderous word with malicious intent to harm.
Rukhai rukha gazata mikura kashi khareni man.
Disaster trap goes before those who speak slanderous word with malicious intent to harm.
Rameinao na samlin rinshare.
Widow should not cut fringe. Widow should not do the fashion of young ladies.
Rameinao shim thâda.
Like suspended house of widow.
Rarâli har kachiphun thâda.
Like sandwich chicken with wild cat.
Ngawokri wakazā kada.
Cultivating field as short jump of wildcat.
Rarâli kahar ngayur kaza thâda pon ruzade.
Walking closely like a closely knit of wildcat mate.
Raraina sikur mayon thanga vuri hai ayong na mayon thanga athay arai phashai the hauda masi panburunge.
A complete silence on the day that the python keeps wind. Wind usually blows on the day that the monkey keeps wind as it wanders for fruits.
Rashâng mangron baparu Rashâng subaishine.
Don't exchange food and drink freely, lest war sickness infects.
Rasu kashi khumkui kashi.
Ill marriage, ill pillow. Ugly marriage, ugly pillow.
Rashâng shayâng kahai thâda.
Such as mixing with cold water.
Ratak marunli kashong marângmana.
No imposition for penalty on Ratak maroon.
Reochin thâda.
Such soft baked crepe.
Repana burunga sangaira thâda.
Too much egg of fickleness like sangaila which there's a challenge.
Ritava mukui ngaigiji ara anek anaiji kuyuno.
Refuse to take beforehand, now take the leftover.
Rikrimasa akhrivam ka shokraka awiya khulli ungthi kisang thâda.
Even a wounded porcupine embracing with full of intestine goes back to die at its hole.
Rikrisa thâda.
Like porcupine flesh.
Ringrakha kashakza kura hongru ngatha purunga.
Exchange of food and wine is a must while alive.
Ringshat khama matha.
Troubled by acute misery.
Ringshia ka ajon amaiji. Ringpa ka irakagaji.
Come to call sir, madam during poverty-stricken, and think I am the most during pleasant time.
Rinsitsit matuiakha mina shitsanga.
Human trust to those who speak justly or exactly.
Sampâ chatmasâ shâlaga.
Even the breaking of single hair could be heard.
Samsugitungli shamming Rameinao sanli phokshare khayomui shongrantai.
Thou shalt not call paramour's name after married. It is a punishable. Forbidden to disclose their illicit physical relationship to a married woman. It is a punishable.
Sâham mare sui kazâ thâda.
As Bengalin's tongue lure to eat food, obtaining with a guileful tongue of Bengalin.
Sâ karamni vayangaka sashi chakrol thâda khangamu khangazairi ayangaka chāngohiri sangpurunga.
Like getting blood stain if you watch slaughtering of an animals, you will be in the judgment for witnessing a crime. To be in the judgment for being a witness of crime is like getting blood stain as you watch butchering.
Sakhuiraklu.
Do it till completion.
Sarang walang hawada masi kongruri chikai pairira.
Can we send away to the storm for wrongdoing?
Sari rang da kuye ngara kamathari rang da mukuimane.
It is possible to hunt down an animal but not a beautiful girl.
Sari wari da ki paru kare. 구이품 파그zet네 그래 시커머리네.
Repeating the same could bring no good. It is to search for burying hat. The first is always best.
사나 사존리티 미나 머리리티.
Animals die from their footprint. Men die by their tongue.
상리나 제스 나우동리 그러 세바이동리 ngrongaza thâda.
Such a sangri bird fed on spearhead or cow dung,
사르구이 금지 그다.
like chomping a bone.
사라나가 먹사미 머린 방의 영원은.
A person who does not act on time will not be happy.
사라나가 사하루.
Do it at the right time.
살러 바르 오르 샬러지.
Old people eventually become forgetful and absent-minded.
사사르가 사시 작가 그장라가.
It is sure to get blood stain in butchery.
사사바바다 나후라브 그장마이트야.
Of all, daughter is most precious,
사숑다다.
being rickety like Rashâng.
사테와테락로 나나 컷르.
You are not the only versatile person,
세정나 룸리 그테이다다.
as bison knows the brine wells.
세정 프폴 공다다.
Impressive stature like bison,
세고머리 샤오시지르 세고머나 그 샤오다다.
as beaten by cowboy instead of cowboy be beaten by the owner,
세카크낭다다.
like a striped buffalo.